Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think about my latest work? It's called The Year of the Cat. I really like that mosaic I made with all the flamingos in it. I like the repetition of it, and I thought I'd try it again with these cats. And the point is that on the surface they're all the same, but as you look a bit closer you'll see they all have different personalities. And my idea was a kind of school photo really. For the first time I've stacked, so they're not cut out, they're not on one plane. It's like a staircase. You've got this level, the second level, the third level, like that. And that proved to be a real challenge for my framer, William Ward, who's had to make the frame rather thick and also put it behind glass, which hasn't happened before in all these years. So this is a first in that respect. I'm really pleased with the result. I think it's terrific. I've written a verse as usual, which I hope explains the thinking, and the verse goes like this: The Year of the Cat. Some of us were sporty, some of us were funny, some of us cried because we missed our mummy. And who would have thought that we all looked like that when this picture was taken in the Year of the Cat?